Installation Guide, Outdoor Full Color Wi-Fi Pan, a Tilt Camera Series. Product Packaging Contents Display. Installing the SD card. The SD card slot is on the bottom of the camera. Open the silicone SD card slot cover, insert the prepared SD card, and press the silicone cover tightly. Wireless connection. After powering on the camera, scan the QR code on the top and click Add. When you hear the voice prompt or the indicator light is flashing blue, after entering the Wi-Fi password of Wi-Fi router, click Next. Note, please remember the camera Wi-Fi name Tenda IPC. It takes 2 steps to connect to the camera Wi-Fi. After clicking Connect to Camera Wi-Fi Network, switch to the WLAN list of mobile phone. After connecting to the Wi-Fi starting with Tenda PC, please manually return to the app. After hearing the voice prompt for successful connection, and the blue light staying on, the camera setup is successful. Wired connection. Connect the network cable and the waterproof kit. Click Add a device, scan the QR code on the camera. After confirming that the camera is powered on, click Add. With the blue light staying on and hearing the voice prompt for successful connection, the camera setup is successful. Installing the bracket. Wall-mounted bracket installation. Ceiling-mounted bracket installation. Get cloud storage for free. Click free trial to get 3 months of free cloud storage.